So today we're doing a couple of things.
Yep.
On the 24 Limited, the TRD Pro rear spoiler.
Rave off-road.
We have some carbon fiber mirror caps, Baja Design chase lights. We got the, not today, but the TRD Pro grill going on here.
Eventually.
And then also the, what else? Oh, the switch panel.
Switch panel.
Too. All right, check it out, that camo finish. That replaces this right here on the top of the tailgate. And right now it's paint matched. We're going with the TRD Pro. It's a genuine Toyota part too. And you got it from Rave Off-Road, right?
Yep.
Rave Off-Road makes their own clearance lights, the red marker lights that go in here, or you can get the OEM ones, which you opted for, right? Oh, so you have the genuine Toyota ones. So I was browsing Rave Off-Road's website, and they currently have 158 products for the 2022 and up Tundra alone between aftermarket and OEM parts. They even have the factory TRD Pro BBS wheels for the Tundras. They are pricey, but they are available. They also have the OEM paint match grille surround. They have the ambient lighting kit, which is pretty cool for the interior. They have the TRD Pro, the OEM TRD Pro grill, the OEM paint match fender flares. They have these AC vent overlays, which look pretty nice, in a gloss black. They have the SIM card key fob, the TRD Pro steering wheel. The list goes on and on, really. But let's head over to the TRD Pro tailgate spoiler. And as you guys can see, they have two options for lighting, OEM and the Rave 3D printed marker lights. It does nearly double the price to go with the OEM marker lights, but it is an option to go OEM.
Genuine OEM.
Sweet.
Trying to keep it original.
Trying to keep it OEM. Well, that's the first thing we'll do. And then we have the Baja Design chase lights right here. Mirror caps right there. These are the clearance lights. Super easy to install these things. We already opened them up and checked them out. So what we do is we just pull one of the tail lights out, and then there's a adapter. So it's all plug and play that goes into the taillight harness. So pretty straightforward. And here's the lights right there. Super easy. All right, so part number there for you guys who want to freeze frame that and copy one of these for yourselves, or just go to Rave's website and get it there. Pretty straightforward. This is pretty much for the most part on clips. We got some screws up top there. So once we pop off this tailgate cap right there on top, we'll pop that off. And then I'll expose some screws up top here, and the rest is all clips. So pretty straightforward. Okay, so we have the Torx 30, right? Yeah. So T30, one there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right here on the back side, the inner tailgate side. Should just pop right off, little by little. Or a lot at once. There we go. Sweet. So beyond that point, there's more T30s. This one I think can stay on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll take those off. From that point on, we should be able to just unclip it. Pull off this back cover, and again, T30. Slide the sucker off. There's 3 wiring harnesses here to detach. That one right there, one there. Also for the camera, and one for the light, and then one here in the middle for the actual handle. And then we got 2 10mm bolts right there on either side of the handle. Bada bing, bada boom, man. Just like that, easy.
Just like that.
So now the rest of the spoiler should be on clips. So let's pull it forward towards us. Now, something really important to note is going little by little, because if we were just to keep bending from this part, we would crack the whole thing in half or bend it pretty bad. So like go little by little as we go down, just keep like relocating your hand pretty much. Just make sure that we don't bend it, and that's pretty much it. So now it looks like we have to relocate the camera and the light right there to the new spoiler. Pretty simple though. I see a Phillips head right there. Pretty much it for that side, and then here for the camera, 2 Phillips heads. That's pretty much it. There you go, man. Pretty simple. Now we ain't got no button. Oh, we do that. Do it. No function though.
No function.
Uh-oh.
Let's see the side one works.
What do we do now? Try it.
Let's try it.
Try it. Give it a whirl. Oh, there we go. What would also work too is the key fob.
Oh, that's true.
So now what we'll do is go ahead and pull off the lights and the camera, and then throw it onto the new spoiler over here. Transfer right over to the new one. Alrighty. So we have your handle that's from your truck is a gloss black. So we'll see how that looks here on the matted out camo finish. That's pretty sick, dude.
Not bad at all.
Love the contrast. On the back of the spoiler here, we're gonna mount up these clearance lights. Take the screws here. There are, what, 4 of them? Yeah, 4. So we'll slide it on in. Right there. And not going too crazy on the plastic, but there's 2, and then 3, and 4. Right there. Once again, these are the genuine OEM TRD actual Toyota parts. What the heck is that? Is that a sticker? There you go, dude.
Sweet, it's clean.
All right, let's put it on. Here in the taillight, we got one 10 mil right there and one 10 mil down there. Then the taillight pulls directly back. So don't go out this way. Pull it straight back towards you, towards the rear of the truck. All right. So to unplug the wire harness here, so there's a clip there. Pretty sure I can get it with my fingers. There we go. Easy. Another one here. Let me grab the little popper tool for that. All right. And then one more down here. All right, and then after that point, there's just one clip right here. Hit that, wire comes right out, taillight is free. Here's how we're tapping power. So this will go into what we just pulled the taillight out of. Plug those 2 in, and then this goes into the taillight right there. And that's all there is to it. This is what we plug into the clearance lights. We'll take this right here, and we're gonna run it behind the back of the tailgate, right? This cover right here will go on top of it. And then we'll creep it out the bottom and then underneath and into, if you guys can see, but underneath and into the taillight pocket. First thing we'll do is close the tailgate, and then we gotta feed the wire from the lights through that pocket right there. So go ahead and put her on up, man. You can do it. You got this, man.
You want to put it on?
Yeah, go for
I
it.
don't know if I could.
Go, you got this. You got this. Feed the wire through. There we go, there we go. Pull that wire through. Perfect. And then just line it up. There it is. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, line them up first. There, yeah, perfect. Bada bing, bada boom. That's it.
Sweet.
Pretty simple. And then let's grab the screws and go ahead and secure the spoiler down really fast before we do anything else. Before you tighten down the screws on top, the 4 screws, what I'll do is press it in and then tighten down at the same time. That way it's nice and like snug. Because there is some play in it. A little push. Okay. Now we'll go on the inside and connect everything and then throw those 2 10 mil nuts back on top of the bolts. So remember, everything plastic, you gotta be really careful with not over tightening it, because if you over tighten it, you'll crack the plastic pretty easily and break the housing, and you don't wanna do that. All right, let's plug everything back in here, the light back in. I'll take the wire, tuck it right down there, put my hand in the taillight pocket, and bada bing, bada boom, man. Then back over here on the inside, throw our 10 mils back in, get them suckers tightened down. Turn the lights on for us. Headlights on. There we go. Yes, sir. We're good. That's sick, dude. You're gonna like it.
Stove.
Yes, sir.
They're never gonna know.
They're not gonna know.
Never.
They're never. Nope. Not gonna happen. Not today. Not ever. All right. Well, now what's left to do is put the rear panel back in, and then top piece. Zip tie it right here around that wire loom. Maybe one more zip tie here. Oh, that's it. And throw this guy back on. Last piece.
Last but not least.
Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, and we're done with this part. Boom, baby. What do you think?
Clean.
It's dope. I dig it. Julian did the TRD Pro style fender or the bumper caps already too. So it's all match in the rear now. Alrighty, here we go. Rear spoiler's all dialed in. Got the clearance lights all wired in too. They're bright too, man. Overall, super simple. Plug and play. Yep. Can't beat it. A little pricey.
A little pricey.
Little on the pricey side, but so you guys can get the Rave lights. So the marker lights in here that are made by Rave, but then it says Rave on it. So these are OEM. These are true Toyota parts that you can buy from Rave, but you can go with the Rave lights that say Rave on them. I guess preference if you want to save some money, you can. So it's looking good. TRD Pros don't come in the blueprint, which is awesome. So super unique look. So once we have all the camo stuff, the fender flares, the grill on there, I guess they're gonna know then.
Yeah, they're gonna know.
I guess they're gonna know because they don't come in blueprint, so they're gonna know. Same but different.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Same but different.
Yeah, same but different. All right, now we go install the aux beam RGB 8-gang switch panel.
There's a snap.
Yep.
Right in place.
The Baja Design S2s, S2 Sports.